What's good? What's good? What's poppin', y'all? How y'all doing? I'm vibing, man. I'm feeling good, feeling great. Truly blessed, man. Today, what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be talking about a very, very important topic. So please hear me, feel me on this one, y'all. Y'all gotta hear me on this one. The topic of discussion is called focusing on money versus focusing on the process. So focusing on money versus focusing on the process. So obviously it's two sides to be on. Two sides, one or the other. Which one you gonna be? And I promise you, it's only one that makes sense. It really is. It's only one. I will be honest. Yes, when we come into this game, this craft of trading forex, yes, we know that we can make. It's possibilities that you can make a lot of money. You have access to making so much money, like unlimited amount of money in this game. Yes, 100% facts. So does the money entice us or have us hungry to to get money? Of course. Come on now. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Some people will. Some people will say, "Oh, it's not." Man, look, bro. We came in this because we came here and we know we can make money. That's what we looking to do. Outside of that, yes, it's a craft and we fall in love with it and you want to be great and you chasing greatness and all these different things and building discipline, self-improvement, all of that. Yes, but at the end of the day, we came here to make money, bro. That's just what it is. So, knowing that, it's two ways you could be. You can be just 100% focused on just making money, or you can focus on the process. You can focus on the craft, the skill set, learning and getting better at the skill set. And when you're looking at just money, you're just focusing on money. All you want to do is make money, and that's your whole reasoning behind what you're doing when it comes to these charts and everything. You're gonna fail. That's just what it is, bro. And it's not even like me being harsh or nothing like that, bro. It's a fact. It's taught all the time, bro. And I can tell you, bro, just from me just getting to a point where I started making a bit more money and making more capital, having more capital in my trade account, making bigger profits. I'm getting funded, getting these funded accounts, and now I'm sitting on capital more than I ever had. Like, bro, when you just focusing on money, bro, like it's just something about it. It just affects your mind, bro, to the point where you just start doing stuff differently. Everything you do differently, like your mindset when it comes to decision making is different. When you looking at profit on the screen, you'll just sit there and mess around and just be greedy to the point where you looking for 10K profit instead of really just 3K because that's where your TP was at. You go to holding a trade past that because you want to make more, or the market is showing you, giving you signals and signs that you should probably close this trade, but you're going to hold it because you're thinking, all right, man, I'm at 3K. It's going down. It's showing all these bad signs. Maybe I should just close this and just take my profit. But shit, man, I can make 8K if I hold this trade or if I double up, ... All that stuff, bro, it's all about focusing on money when you're doing stuff like that. When you're focusing on the craft, you're focusing on being great and focusing on process, it's different. Because the money is gonna come. It's gonna flow no matter what. Profit is a byproduct of being disciplined and executing correctly. It's just what it is. It's a byproduct. You're gonna make money. You're gonna make profit if you're doing things the right way. It's just what it is. That's what comes with this. When you on point, you have your skill set, your game is tight, you're gonna make money. So it's not something that you have to sit around and be so like eagerly, overly hungry to get profit. Profit is gonna come, bro. Just focus on getting better. Focus on improving your skill set. Focus on being worthy of that profit. Some people are not even worthy of the profit. Like I can say from my personal experience. You feel me? Year 2, I made so much money off of this craft by luck, and that's because I was just over leveraging the hell out of my accounts and just so hungry to make profit, right? And I got ahead of myself and thinking like, okay, man, I know what I'm doing. I know this. I know that. I had never really came into seen all the different type of market conditions that the market will give you when you're looking at it for 3 years, almost 4 years. You've seen all different types of conditions each year or each session, each quarter, things like that. And I was underprepared. I was not ready for a lot of the stuff that I walked into, the year 2, year 3, and going into, now. And when I was just focusing on money, all my mindset was, I need to make a big profit. I need to post this to Instagram. I need to screenshot this big profit. ... Money. It was never like, damn, let me go sit on the charts and back test. Dang, hold on, let me go see why I was losing. Let me go figure out why I was winning. Let me go build a plan. Dot dot dot. That's focusing on process. Focusing on process is figuring out how to get better. What are you doing wrong? What could you be doing better that you need to change? What bad traits you need to change to knock out so that way you can have more accuracy when you're trading? What pairs do you trade better? And what pairs do you lose the most? Maybe you need to cut one of those out so that way you can just ensure that you're just taking high probability setups and you're giving yourself the best odds when it comes to trading. All of those things, that's focusing on process. Focusing on process, bro. Focusing on getting better and being great at this craft. There's two ways you could go about it. The people that choose just focusing on money, you'll see them all the time. They're making big profits and it's not consistent, or they're making big profits, losing in big bet, or they're just doing everything that's just, just literally just rooted behind money. So they're just chasing bread. They're trying to get money in any other type of way, trying to charge people $100,000 for mentorship, trying to charge 100 people, charge them for signals or this and that, like this stupid stuff, bro. Like, and then when you're doing that just as a regular trader, you get into a point where if you just focus on money, you're gonna come to the charts and you're gonna come to a market like this, for example. I'm gonna show you something. You're gonna come to the market like like stuff like let me find a good example, y'all. I promise you. I'm gonna show you. Cause when you come to the market and you ain't got no plan, matter of fact, let's put that back. Let's go over here. I'm gonna show y'all something. Let's say, for example, we're looking at GU. We're gonna look at GU back over here. When you don't got no plan and you just focusing on money, you're gonna think every day within here. This is from January 17th all the way until February 2nd. All of that whole month. You're gonna be thinking, I need to get in the trade on all of this. I need to be trying to figure out how I can make money, how I can trade it. It's going up and down, choppiness, ranging ass. Look horrible. This is horrible market conditions. You'll be in here trying to trade this, trying to figure out or wait for the next trying to hurry up and get in here and trying to make some profit. Just because you're looking for money. Not because you're thinking high probability setups. Let me take good trades, smart trades, trades that make sense, that's going along with my game plan. You're not thinking that. You're just looking to make money. You feel me? You're just getting in here and just trying to take a trade just because you're looking for money and you're hungry. And at the end of the day, you're getting slapped up. That's what happens. You get slapped up. Stuff like this. It's nothing for me to do in this. Like, it's just not. It's nothing to do. It's nothing. This is not consistency. This is not. Come on. What is this? This is ass. This ain't nothing. But you focusing on money. You trying to get in here, trying to find a break and retest, dot, dot, dot. Come on, man. Come on, bro. You holding it until TP is up here and then boom, it's going back down because it's inconsistent. It's not in a trending condition. You know, like things like that is what leads people to usually blow their accounts or just fuck themselves, bro. Really, just fuck themselves over. Excuse my French, but that's just what it is. And you got to really be able to decipher which side are you going to be on? What type of trader are you going to be? Are you just focusing on just making a quick buck, trying to run up some money? Or are you focusing on being great at this skill set so you can stay around in the long run? In the long haul, you can last. You can be great at this skill set. You can teach others. You can be an influence to others. And you can look back at your trading statistics and you can see, dang, I did great this past year. I made 200,000, dot, dot, dot. I'm looking at my stats on my broker. You can see you're trading P&L 60%, dot, 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 win, lose. All of those things. These are things that when you're focusing on being great, you're looking at this skill set and you're going to the charts after it and you're looking to try and figure out what did I do wrong? How can I be better? If you're focusing on money, you're just going to get in here and you're just going to be trying to just make money, money, money. It's not always like that. You can't take a high probability setup every day. It just doesn't happen, y'all. I promise you, it doesn't. The market doesn't give you a high probability setup every single day. If you think that, you're going to lose. You're going to learn, you're going to get humbled. I'll tell you that. It just doesn't happen. It just doesn't. Not every day is a trading day. You can wait. You can look at other pairs. You can literally rest, bro. You can literally go study, go back test when things are like this. It's just not moving smooth. It's not consistent. But a lot of people, they just think that, the market is just some game. Like, it's just a casino. You just come here and you're trying to hit every single day. Like, nah, bro. It don't happen like that, dog. I promise you. It don't work like that, my boy. And if you do treat it that way, you're going to get fucked over. It's just what it is. None of this is nice. This is not nice. This is not consistent. This is not nice. None of this. It's not nice. January 18th, February 4th. 3-4 weeks, whatever, 3 weeks. No trades in here. It's just not. It's nothing consistent. It's no trend. It's just up and down, choppiness, ranging. You know what I mean? But people don't see that. Some people just can't even see that. They'll think, oh, I should be selling here, buying here, selling at the top, buying at the bottom. Man, look, bro. That's going to get you chopped up. Chopped up. And I'm going to tell you that first and foremost, so that way you know it's coming from me. And at the end of the day, you know, like, you're going to be able to realize it. Not every trader will do that. I will be honest. It comes from the background. There's a lot of different things that influences that. Some of us come from places where we're not getting, you know, our people's not getting money. We've been, you know, underprivileged. We haven't came from money. We haven't really been making any money. We under a lot of stress, and we putting everything, all our eggs in one basket. So we depending on everything to just come out the charts. Situations like that, for example. If you depending on trading to just pay your bills, and you scraping by every month, and your back is against the wall every month, that is not the way to be, bro. I'm telling you that. It's not healthy. It is not healthy. You're going to get onto these charts. You're going to be forcing trades. You're just going to be hungry. Like, we talking about all these different things and just looking to try and make trades when right now it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks done went by here, and you got to pay your rent by this day. And you over here trying to take all these different trades, trying to force these trades to make back profit that you probably done got chopped up in here and here. And now you upset. Now you forcing. Now you risking it all because you trying to make money to make this right here to catch this for your rent. And then when you get up here and take this buy and then boom and go to selling, now you thinking, man, I should just sold. It don't make sense. It doesn't. It just doesn't, bro. I'm sorry. It just doesn't. And these are things like that where I feel like we got to have these topics, these discussions about this topic, because it's normal, bro. It happens a lot for some reason. And it's just one of those things where we got to be able to realize, dog, not every day is a trading day. And at the end of the day, if you focus on process, you focus on being great, you'll be able to realize and recognize the patterns. This is not nothing that I even get. My eyes don't even light up for this. This just doesn't. You feel me? But you will when you start to see trending markets. You'll be more than happy to trade the markets. Look at this. Shift in momentum. You feel me? Like, this is lovely. This is buying opportunities. You can find setups in this. It's trending markets. It's flowing. You know what I mean? This is all flowing markets. But if you just continue to just look at the markets as a slot machine or however and try to hit, it just ain't gonna happen, y'all. It's just what it is. So that's the main moral of this story, bro. Focus on the process. Focus on being great at the skill set, becoming better, learning the skill set. You see what I mean? Like, look at this, y'all. This was a whole week, GJ. Whole week. Nothing. This is trash. You feel me? Trash. I know people that was trading this. Sorry for them. This is trash. That's trash. It is what it is. Me, I'm sitting back. I'm looking at this. What the hell is going on? What is this? What's going on? Where is the buys? Where's the sells? It's nothing. It's ass, bro. This ain't nothing to play with. Like, this is nothing. This doesn't excite me. Over here to the left, this is what I took last week. This excites me. This setup right here. This excites me a lot. Look at this. This is what we should be striving to enter trades on and take advantage of. This right here. This is it. Quality setups. Quality movements. Flowing markets. Trending markets. Like, this is nice. You can see everything pretty clear. Crystal clear. This is what we have to focus on. The process. Doing this over and over and over and over. Back testing. Going back. Studying these moves. Marking them up. Seeing this whole thing, this whole shift and transition starting to happen, building up the endurance, the mental endurance to be able to see these things, training your mind to be able to understand what's going on, so that way when it does happen, you can react like this. Like this. You see what I'm saying? This is process. This is focusing on process. Over here, all the way at the end, this is focusing on money. You trying to take buys here, sells here, it just don't work, bro. It's just not it. I'm sorry. It's just not that. This ain't that. You feel me? And the sooner you understand that and, you know, you really keep that in your mind and let that, you know, marinate however it got to be and really understand that, I promise you, you're going to have success in the market and you will be able to last longer. You'll last. I promise you. If you just keep putting in the work and understand these concepts, these key things, you will last. Half the people don't. More than half. That's why they say the percentage of people that fail in trading Forex is 95% that don't make money. 95% of the market of the traders, the percentile of the traders react like this. They trade like this. What we talked about, where you trade focusing on money and you're focusing on stuff like this. That's 95%. If you want to be a part of 95%, trade like this. I'm telling you, do this. Trade like this. If you want to be a part of the 5%, you trade like this. You focus on process. You wait for your setups. You analyze and be patient. You take quality setups. This is build up quality setups. This is quality setups. This is quality setups. You feel me? Like, this is just what it is. This is what you focus on when you worried about process. You worried about being great. You worried about mastering your skill set, mastering your craft. That's what you focus on. You focus on nice quality setups, Confluence filled setups. This is what we trade, bro. We trade Confluence. We don't do none of that other fluky stuff. We trade Confluence, bro. So at the end of the day, the moral of this story, y'all, please just be patient and just remember, bro. Like, it's a long journey, bro. This is a long haul, bro. We're not doing this. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon, like Nipsey Hussle would say. It's a marathon, bro. Slow down. Slow down. Promise you. Slow down, bro. Slow down. See the beauty within these markets. Focus on the process. Focus on quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. It's going to lead you to taking setups like this, where you can just relax, take your setup, and just smoothing all the way down to TP, get your bread, get your money, live your life, and go have fun. That's it. Focus on the process. Focus on the build-up. Seeing things clear. Look at this. Confluence. Confluence. Nice setup. Nice setup, bro. Nice setup. Look at this. And literally, like what I'm doing right now on the weekend, you can still live your life and go have fun. But at the end of the day, it's nothing stopping anybody. I don't care who you are. It's nothing stopping anybody for taking 2 hours, 3 hours out there Saturday, out there Friday night, out there Sunday, whatever, the weekend, to come on the charts and back test and reiterate these things that we talk about, that we learn, sharpening your edge, back testing the moves that happen, going over wins and losses that you might have had, correcting things so that way you can see things clear. This is hours of back testing that led me to take setups like this, to be able to see this. I couldn't see this year 1, year 2. But now going on to year 4, I'm killing moves like this because I understand what's going on. I'm not always having to wait for break and retest. Why? Because there's so much Confluence already here. I don't need that. If I go down to the 30-minute time frame, I can see. Let's go here. 30-minute time frame, right? We can go down. We can continue to go down each time frame. You can see after we already done broke this structure, we made a high. This was our high originally. So let's do that first. Let's backtrack. This was our high originally. This is our very first break of structure right here. Boom. This was our high. The market pulled back and we printed a mini higher low point right in here. Cool. Mini higher low point. It wasn't nothing to really fib or worry about. It was just a small higher low point. Cool. The market pushed up, made a new higher high. And then we came down and made a higher low point. Came back and retested previous level of structure. We're seeing non-stop seller's exhaustion at the bottom side of this level of support. It's a 50% retracement on the fib. Bingo. Let me get down to these lower time frames and see how we're looking on the 30-minute. How are we reacting? You're seeing rejection from the moving average below us. We're seeing back-to-back bullish engulfings, bullish variations. Come on, man. It's entry. It's entry, bro. You got to trust it. You got to feel it. And bum. Actually, that was a bullish engulfing. I'm sorry. Not no bullish variation. Bum. So there you go. Entries after entries. Back-to-back. Get in there. Get up in there. Bum. 28 pip TP, stop loss, 30 pip stop loss, whatever. At the end of the day, it's a setup. Trusting the setup and knowing where you are within the setup will lead you to hold the setup, because people would have been psyched out because the market is just not going straight up in their favor. It's a 1 to 3 risk reward opportunity. Beautiful setup, right? We're seeing push up, make a higher high, come back down, make a higher low point, holding support up in here. Cool. The market holding support, exhausting out, rejecting at this level of support, pushing back up and down. This was new spike, bum, went right back up. Go back to the 30-minute. What are we seeing? Bullish engulfings, sliding back up to TP. This is process. This is focusing on process, analyzing this stuff, practicing this stuff, and I promise you, bro, it's gonna come to light and it's gonna happen in the markets eventually. And if you're prepared and you've been studying and you've been focusing on the process, you're gonna reap the benefits of it. That's just what it is. And the ones that aren't, They just, unfortunately, they're going to be getting chopped up in all of this. They're going to be chopped up. It's just what it is. So other than that, man, that's pretty much it. That's the moral of the story for this video. I just want to say peace and love to everybody. I love y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. I hope and pray for blessings and just profits amongst everyone within your life, within your trading journey. And I just pray for clarity on these charts, man. Clarity so you can see the markets clear and make clear decisions and just be on the right side of things and really profit, bro, and just take advantage of this beautiful, this craft, bro, that we in. Other than that, man, I love y'all. Peace out.